Hello students, in this video we have already seen some of the text formatting tags, but one of the text formatting tag is MARQUEE effect. So basically MARQUEE effect is used by so many websites to give a special discount. If they want to attract the customer to a specific line, then they give the MARQUEE effect to that line. So I'll just show you how it works exactly. So this is an HTML program, then head, and then I'll give a title as MARQUEE program. So this is my title. So now I'll just end the title here and I'll end the head here. So then we'll start with the body part. So inside this we'll be giving one H1 tag, suppose one H1 tag, and I'll be writing some company's name. So Johnson's and Johnson's. Okay, so this is the company name which I'm using here. So if Johnson's is offering some particular discount on the product, so they'll be writing it on MARQUEE. So inside the MARQUEE, they'll be writing like 25% off on all the products. Okay, so if this is the discount offer which you want to give it on your website, so you can give it with the help of MARQUEE tag. Okay, so now you'll see how it appears on the output screen. It is going to be in a motion and it will revolve throughout your whole screen. So I'll just give a body, end the body, and I'll end the HTML tag here. So we'll just save this program. It's a very short program, a simple tag with a good effect. So MARQUEE.html. So this is one of my favorite effect or text formatting tag, you can say. So I basically love the performance of MARQUEE tag. So this is how it works. You can see that whatever you have written inside the MARQUEE tag is going to revolve throughout the screen. Okay, so we'll just try with the background color inside it. So BG color is equals to gold. I haven't tried it yet, but we'll at least try whether this works or not. So this is the attribute, like we can give a BG color for it. Okay, so we'll work with one more tag, like can we make it a bit bolder? So I'll just add a B tag here and I'll end the B tag here. So I'll just give /B here and I'll just see whether it's working or not. So we'll see here. Yeah, so it is bolder than before. Okay, so this is how you can give a particular offer, or this will be a eye-catchy line if you use on your website. Okay, so this is how you can use a MARQUEE, or you can give an effect for your websites, any type of special discount and offer. So thank you for watching. Please take a screenshot of this program and try it at your home and do the practical. Any type of comment basically it will be entertained. Please give and comment on this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel.